Hey guys, here is some advice for therapists or coaches. Okay, if you work with people on a regular basis, I want to encourage something. I think it's safe to say that most people these days prefer authentic people. And they prefer authentic people if they're trying to make a journey of authenticity, right? They want someone who's there for them and supporting them that's a real person rather than a blank screen. Right? So this isn't psychoanalysis type of stuff, right? I think people really yearn for another human being to sit with who is also a human being that's full of messes and foibles, but is, on the path and really committed to growth. So that's a good guide. And in that vein, if that's you, here's a tool that I want you to use with your clients. It's called sharing impact. So when a client shares something that's kind of, messed up, that's going on in their relationship, that feels kind of unfair to you, a neutral therapist would sit there and go, oh, interesting. That's very interesting. Yes. A real person would be like, that's fucked up. That feels unfair. Really? Why are you allowing yourself to be treated like that? Man, if I was you, that would feel so bad to me. Why do we do this? Because it's a wake-up call for the person to go, holy shit, I didn't know I was living in some kind of bullshit reality where I allowed people to treat me like this. So we get to say, that's unfair. That's not cool. Because you're tracking, especially you relationship coaches, you're tracking the relational dynamics of people. And people that study with me, we study like how to do relationships well and how to be fair and treat each other right, how to be a team. So it's very important that you as a practitioner just let people know when something's off. And this is, I think, controversial for some reason, because people are like, hey, it's their life. It's like, I'm going to just be kind of neutral and unbiased and stuff. It's like, no, you have a bias. And when something's like, what if someone's in an abusive relationship, you're just going to sit there and be like, oh, interesting. No, it's like, get out. How do we help you get the hell out of this relationship? This is so awful for you. This is so not cool. You deserve someone that meets you halfway. It's a mutual relationship, Yeah, so I want to encourage you to be a person in those moments. And again, this is not moral high ground. This is not telling them what they should believe or what they should feel or giving them a bunch of advice. We just want to share impact, which is, wow, that doesn't feel very good to me. Wow, listening, I feel really defensive. I feel angry when I listen to you describe how you're being treated in your relationship. Oh, really? Yeah, that just sounds so unfair. When people hear another real human respond, they can go, maybe I need to make different choices. Yeah. So drop a comment below if you have any ads, disagreements, etc. Be happy to try to address those.